5 Great Ways to Overcome Resistance When Using the Law of Attraction. Why do you need to overcome resistance to be successful with the law of attraction? Let's suppose you created an intention to manifest something, visualized in the proper way, opened your heart energy, and nothing happened. Your intention failed to manifest quickly because you had resistance. Whenever your intention fails to manifest quickly, it's because you aren't a vibrational match to your intention. Instead, you're a vibrational match to things remaining the same, and you probably don't even realize it. Resistance usually takes the form of subconscious fears and doubts. You don't even realize they're there. Yet they sit in the background and prevent your desires from manifesting. They act as counter-intentions, and the more attention and energy you give them, the harder it is to manifest what you want. It isn't that the law of attraction isn't working. It's just that you're giving it 2 different intentions to work on, what you want and what you're afraid of. Wherever you focus the most energy is what the law of attraction will create. Ignoring your fears and doubts doesn't work because they fight back. If you want success with the law of attraction, you must overcome resistance. Identifying resistance. Imagine for a moment that your greatest dream has come true. What are the negative side effects from manifesting your dream? How does it affect your family, your health, your career, your relationships, your spirituality, etc.? What are all of the different ways your life will change? For example, if your intention is to lose 25 pounds, imagine how the weight loss will affect other areas of your life. How will it affect your family, your relationships, your eating habits, the clothes you wear, the things you do, etc.? What will your life be like after you lose the weight? Look at these side effects without emotion. There's no need to beat yourself up for them. They're simply potential consequences of your intention. Normally, when we set an intention, we focus on our goal and never consider the consequences with our conscious mind. It's our subconscious mind that notices all the different ways things might change. Because we keep the awareness of the side effects at the subconscious level, we never deal with them at the conscious level. That's how our fears and doubts crop up as resistance. They're telling us, hey, look at me. Did you think about this happening? Are you sure you're ready for this? We have to look at the issues raised by the subconscious mind and deal with them if we want our intentions to manifest. They resolve when we overcome resistance. How to overcome resistance. 1. Notice your mood. Anytime you catch yourself feeling less than good or having a negative thought is a step towards overcoming resistance. Noticing when your fears are coming up makes it easier to let them go. It doesn't matter what the negative thought you have is. Simply being in a bad mood is a sign of resistance. The sooner you notice the resistance, the sooner you can overcome it. 2. Reinterpret negative thoughts. When you notice negative thoughts, transform them into positive thoughts. This will overcome resistance by transforming it to an empowering belief which will shift you to a higher vibrational level. For example, if you're afraid that your friends won't like it if you lose weight, first accept it as a side effect of losing weight. Admit it's scary. Yes, my friends would prefer it if I stayed overweight because they want me to be like them. Notice how it feels. My friends would feel threatened by me if I lost weight, but that's just something to deal with when and if it happens. It isn't something to fear. I know they really just want me to be happy, and I'm tired of trying to please everyone. Then shift to a new, empowering belief: the only person I have to please is me, and today I'm going to do something that pleases me. When I'm happy, I love and cherish myself. 3. Raise your vibration. When resistance comes up, you're in a low vibrational energy. You're nervous, tense, anxious, irritable, scared, you're just not happy. When you start focusing on things that make you feel good, you shift your vibration. Your energy becomes focused on manifesting the things you want, speeding up the law of attraction. Go out and have some fun. Listen to music you enjoy. Watch a funny movie. Dance. Pet your cat. Play with your dog. Blow bubbles. Skip. Make shadow puppets. 4. Use EFT. EFT, or the emotional freedom technique, uses energy centers along your body to help you overcome resistance. Simply tapping on the areas with your fingers while using key phrases can release resistance in a few minutes. I've used it for years with great results. Check out the tapping solution to easily learn how to use EFT to overcome resistance. 5. Use your resistance to your advantage. Once you've identified the reason for your resistance, the root cause of your frustration, unhappiness, or anxiety, you can look for a way to meet the needs of your resistance while not allowing it to prevent achieving your goals. For example, if your resistance is making you want to procrastinate instead of finishing a project you're working on, what can you do to meet the desire to procrastinate while also working on your project? Could you stimulate your mind by listening to music while you work? The key is to get to a point where you can neutralize your resistance and turn it to your advantage.